Ever wondered how modern diesel vehicles manage to keep their emissions within environmental standards? The secret lies in a critical component called the Diesel Particulate Filter, or DPF for short. It's a key player in the exhaust system of diesel-powered vehicles, designed specifically to reduce particulate matter emissions. Now, what exactly is particulate matter, you might ask? Essentially, it's a mix of tiny particles that includes soot and ash produced during the combustion process in a diesel engine. And it's these particles that DPFs are on a mission to control. Why? Because particulate matter isn't too friendly to our environment. In fact, it can have quite the negative impact. Thankfully, DPFs are there to capture and trap these harmful particles before they can make their escape into the atmosphere. So, in essence, DPFs are the unsung heroes of the automotive world, stepping up to the plate when it comes to reducing particulate matter emissions. So, how exactly does a DPF function within a vehicle's exhaust system? Let's break it down. Firstly, exhaust gases from the diesel engine flow directly into the diesel particulate filter. This is where the magic happens. The DPF isn't just any component. It's a meticulously designed structure, typically made of ceramic or metallic substrate shaped like a honeycomb. Its walls are coated with a porous material functioning as the filter medium. As these exhaust gases pass through the DPF, the particulate matter, which includes soot and ash, gets trapped by the porous walls of the filter. The pores are small enough to let the gases through, but the solid particles, they're not going anywhere. Over time, this captured particulate matter accumulates on the filter walls, forming a layer known as the soot cake. Sounds tasty, right? Well, not quite, but it's a crucial part of the process. To prevent this cake from growing too thick and hindering performance, the DPF undergoes a process called regeneration. There are two types: passive regeneration, which occurs during normal driving conditions when exhaust temperatures are high enough to burn off the accumulated soot, and active regeneration initiated by the engine management system when passive isn't enough, causing a controlled increase in exhaust temperature to burn off the soot. During this regeneration, the accumulated soot is oxidized, transforming it into carbon dioxide and water vapor. This chemical reaction, facilitated by the high temperatures within the DPF, ensures the efficient reduction of particulate emissions. However, while DPFs are effective, they do require periodic maintenance. Ash, the non-combustible residue left after soot combustion, gradually accumulates and may necessitate filter cleaning or even replacement. Lastly, it's important to note that DPFs are often integrated into a comprehensive emissions control system, alongside other components like diesel oxidation, catalysts, and selective catalytic reduction. Through this intricate process, DPFs effectively capture and burn off harmful particulate matter, ensuring cleaner exhaust emissions. You might be wondering, why are DPFs so important? Well, imagine a world where every diesel vehicle's exhaust spews out unfiltered particulate matter. Not only would our air quality plummet, but the impact on our health and the environment would be devastating. That's where diesel particulate filters come to the rescue. They're the unsung heroes in our fight against air pollution, capturing harmful soot and ash particles that would otherwise be expelled into our atmosphere. In addition to their environmental benefits, DPFs also help diesel vehicles meet increasingly stringent emission standards. Without them, many vehicles simply wouldn't pass inspection. But like any hero, the DPF can't do it all alone. They need regular servicing to continue functioning effectively. Over time, non-combustible ash accumulates within the DPF, which can't be burned off during the regeneration process. This buildup can eventually lead to reduced performance and even damage if not addressed. Regular maintenance, including cleaning or even replacing the filter, is crucial to ensure your DPF remains in top form. And let's not forget, the DPF is part of a larger team. It's often integrated into a comprehensive emissions control system, working hand in hand with other components like diesel oxidation catalysts and selective catalytic reduction systems. In essence, the DPF is a vital component of any diesel vehicle, working tirelessly to keep our air cleaner. In conclusion, Diesel particulate filters play a significant role in reducing harmful emissions from diesel engines. By trapping particulate matter and facilitating its combustion, these filters contribute to cleaner air. They undergo a regeneration process to prevent excessive buildup and maintain optimal performance. However, regular maintenance is crucial as ash, the non-combustible residue, accumulates over time. With DPFs working behind the scenes, it's clear that every drive in a diesel vehicle is a step towards a cleaner environment.